This video will show you where is the crankshaft position sensor on a Hyundai Accent 2012 to 2018 and how to replace it. First, since the sensor is related to the electronic system on the car, it's better to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. Next, you will have to get under the car and remove the plastic shield that covers the crankshaft sensor and more. You can do so by using a 10mm socket. Once you remove the plastic shield, you will be able to spot the crankshaft position sensor pretty easily. It's just next to the oil filter. You might find it easier to use a socket screwdriver instead of a regular socket wrench because of the small space available. Taking the screw out by hand once it's pretty loose will be easy. Then, you can pull that part out. Then, disconnect the electrical connector. You should be able to disconnect it pretty easily just by pulling it out. Next, you will have to disconnect the plastic part that holds the cable in place. You can do so by using a flathead screwdriver, inserting it between the cable and the plastic part. You should be able to wiggle it out. It won't come out easily, so you might want to put some force on the screwdriver to pull it out while making sure you're not putting pressure on other parts around. The last part to remove is being held by a small metal part. You will have to force it out of the actual spot. Here's how it looks when it's not held by that metal plate. You can clearly see the grooves that hold the part, so you'll have to slide it out of there. The screwdriver will be useful there once again. Now, remove the old crankshaft position sensor and place in the new one, beginning with the part that was held in place by that 10mm bolt. Next, push in the plastic part that holds the cable in that little hole. Finally, slide the sensor connector back on that metal plate, and reconnect it to the electric connector. That's it. Hopefully this helped some of you. This was how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a Hyundai Accent 2012 to 2018.